This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Have you ever wondered how to subtract large numbers? There are many strategies that we can use to help us subtract. Sometimes we can break apart the numbers. Other times we can use place value charts to keep our subtraction organized. Let's practice a few of these strategies together. Here we go. What is 307 minus 152? Let's start by breaking apart 307 into hundreds, tens, and ones. 307 is the same as 3 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 7 ones. Nice! Now let's break apart 152. 152 is the same as 100 plus 5 tens plus 2 ones. Great! Now we can subtract. Let's start by subtracting our ones. 7 ones minus 2 ones equals 5 ones. Now the tens. We can't subtract 5 tens from 0 tens. This means we will need to regroup from our hundreds. 3 hundreds will become 2 hundreds. Since 100 is the same as 10 tens, 0 tens will become 10 tens. Great! Now we can subtract our tens. 10 tens minus 5 tens equals 5 tens. Finally, let's subtract the hundreds. 2 hundreds minus 100 equals 100. We are left with 100, 5 tens, and 5 ones, which is the same as 155. This means 307 minus 152 equals 155. Great work! Let's do another one together. What is 561 minus 279? For this problem, let's use a place value chart to help us subtract our numbers. We'll break apart our numbers into hundreds, tens, and ones. 561 is 5 hundreds, 6 tens, and 1 one. 279 is 2 hundreds, 7 tens, and 9 ones. Nice! Let's subtract. We'll start in our ones place. We have 1 one minus 9 ones. We cannot subtract 9 from 1, so we will need to regroup. We can take 1 10 from the tens place and add it to the ones place. 6 tens become 5 tens, and 1 one becomes 11 ones. Nice! Now we can subtract. 11 ones minus 9 ones is 2 ones. In our tens place, we have 5 tens minus 7 tens. Again, we will need to regroup since we can't subtract 7 from 5. We can take 100 from the hundreds place and add it to the tens place. 5 hundreds becomes 4 hundreds, and 5 tens becomes 15 tens. Now we can subtract. 15 tens minus 7 tens is 8 tens. Finally, let's subtract our hundreds. 4 hundreds minus 2 hundreds is 2 hundreds. In total, we have 2 hundreds, 8 tens, and 2 ones, or 282. This means 561 minus 279 equals 282. Nice work! You did a great job using those 2 different strategies to subtract 2 numbers. Now, go practice on your own. You've got this.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.